Exercise 3 is a combination of exercise 1 and 2. So now we want to string it all together. We are going to do a reverse peck followed by a hands-free equalization movement, and then another reverse peck, and then a hands-free equalization movement. Depending on how well you've done exercise 1, you might not need to create that negative pressure through pinching anymore to let you know that you indeed perform the maneuver. But if you're still not quite familiar with it, you can include the nose pinch and swallow before each hands-free movement to confirm that you indeed perform the right movement. It might look something like this. Eventually, you may not need the nose pinch, and then it will look like what I'm going to do now. Yeah. So basically, you're going to do this on one breath of air. This simulates how it's like when you're actually diving deep. You have to be able to repeat this pattern and rhythm even when you're under pressure and even when you start to get contractions.